We'll be demonstrating today a recording system we developed to record in vivo from the optic chiasm of rat. These types of recordings have been very rare in rat, in part because the retinal ganglion cell axons that make up the optic nerve are very small, making it difficult to record from individual cells. And since rat is a common animal model for retinal degeneration, these types of recordings have the potential to produce a lot of useful information. The key to achieving these recordings was in the tungsten glass electrodes that we designed that have a long, sharp tip that allow action potentials to be recorded from thin diameter axons with a high signal-to-noise ratio. We will walk you through the fabrication process of these electrodes, and we will show you how we set up the animal on the stereotaxic apparatus, and then we will show you an example of recording spike trains from a single ganglion cell.
Three main pieces of equipment are needed to fabricate electrodes. A standard glass puller to make the micropipettes. A sewing machine is used to sharpen the tungsten. And a standard microscope with 40x objective. In addition, a graphite ring is needed with attached pole, and it will be placed in the concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide and sodium nitrate. This is placed under the sewing arm, and then a thin piece of tungsten wire is then taped to the sewing arm, partially immersed in solution. Leads are then applied to the graphite pole on one end and to the sewing arm on the other. 2 volts